Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all well. As yesterday we had started our second semester's first chapter, that was a gift for Christmas. That is the 15th chapter of our book that we had started yesterday. So this is the second part of that chapter. I am going to start the explanation from where we had left yesterday. So we are going to continue with that. Chapter number 15, everybody should open, and a gift for Christmas, page number 88 you should open. So we are going to start. As we had seen that Oda was very sad just because she was not having the enough money to buy a gift for her husband. That's why she was crying. Now we will see what will happen. Okay. So that was the only moment when she was crying. After that, that was the only moment. After that, she put on her old brown jacket. She wore her brown jacket. Put on means when you are wear something, that is put on. She put on her old brown hat. She was having a old brown hat. She wore that, and with her eyes shining brightly. And after that, what she had done? With her eyes shining brightly, she fluttered out of the door. So her eyes were shining very brightly, and she had fluttered out means moved out of the door, and she had gone to the street. Okay? She stopped at the door, stopped with the sign. So now she had stopped where? She had stopped at the shop with the sign. She had stopped at one of the shops, that is with the sign was there, Ma'am Sofrinio. ठीक है, Sofrinio. Here goods of are all kinds. It is written over there. This was the sign board of the shop. ठीक है, Ma'am Sofronio. Here goods of all kinds. The shop was located on the second floor. Now the shop where she had stopped, the shop was on the second floor. And after that, Della had run up the stairs. Now she had gone up to the stairs. Will you buy my hair? So she asked the question, will you buy my hair? Who asked the question? Della had asked the question, will you buy my hair? Just because this was the only possession that Della was having. I buy hair, said Madame. Madame said that, Madam was there. She said that, I buy hair, I will buy your hair. Take off your hat. She said that just because she wore a hat. So she said that, take off your hat or remove your hat. Let me have a look at it, and I will watch your hair, or I will give a look to your hair. Down came the brown cascade. What is the meaning of cascade? First of all, tell me. The brown golden hair are called as cascade. ठीक है? Long hair is called as cascade. ठीक है? So after that, down came the brown cascade. Now her hair were open now, and they were coming down. ठीक है? $20, said Madame, lifting the beautiful hair with her experienced hand. Just because she was having a good experience, and Madame said that $20 she will give $20 of her hair. ठीक है? Lifting the beautiful hair with her experience. After that, she started lifting the hair with her experienced hand. ठीक है? She started seeing, you can say, or she started looking the hair. Give it to me quickly, she said that. Della said that. Della, just because next day was Christmas Eve, Christmas occasion was there, that's why Della said that give it to me quickly, $20 give it to me. ठीक है? Della spent the next 2 hours in the stores eagerly looking for the gems, just because now she was having what, $20 she was having. That's why next 2 hours where she had spent in the stores, just because she was finding gift for Jim. Della spent next 2 hours in the stores eagerly looking for Jim's present or Jim's gift. Clear? She found it at last. At last, what she had found? She found the gift. It surely had been made for Jim. So, when she had seen that gift, she was sure that this gift was surely made for Jim, no one else. Okay? There was no other like it in any of the stores. This is the unique piece. Nothing was there like that. ठीक है? This is the special piece that has made up for Jim. So after that, it was platinum watch. What was the gift? It was platinum watch chain, simple but well made. It was simple in her look, in his look, but it was well made. Build quality was very good, you can say. It was worthy of the watch. ठीक है, just because it was worthy of the watch means to say, you can say it was deserving. ठीक है, कि we can say that is a beautiful thing, you can say. Clear? Or good enough. Worthy means deserving or good enough. Clear? So after that, as soon as she saw it, she decided, as when she had seen the watch chain, she had decided that it was the right present for Jim. Means to say, this was that gift, that kind of gift that she was finding for Jim. ठीक है, that was the right gift for Jim. She paid $21 for it, just because she was having $1.87 firstly. After that, when she had sold her hair, now she was having $21.87. So for Jim's watch, she had given $21 and hurried home with the 87 cents that she remained. And so now she was having only 87 cents with her. Clear? When Della reached home, after that, when Della reached home, pleased with the present, now Della was very happy, just because she had purchased the present for Jim. She grew, after that she grew nervous, but she was very nervous, as she thought calmly about, in a peaceful manner, calmly means peaceful manner, about what she had done. And she started thinking that what she had done with her hair, is she right or wrong? She started thinking like that, कि what will be the Jim's reaction and all. ठीक है? She looked at the reflection in the mirror. She started looking at the mirror for a long time, carefully and critically. Carefully and critically. Critically means she was, you can say, she was blaming herself also. ठीक है? Just because she had sold her hair, now she was looking like a boy. So that's why she was criticized herself कि she had done wrong or right. Clear? She brought out her curling irons. After that, she brought out her curling irons. जो irons होते हैं जिससे हम curls कर सकते हैं, जैसे हम बोल सकते हैं curler हम use करते हैं ना, एक straightener is there, and so curling iron she had brought out and began to curl her hair carefully. She started curling her hair. The tiny curls made her look like a schoolboy. When she had made a tiny means small one, curls, she was looking like a schoolboy. If Jim does not kill me, she said to herself, कि if Jim will not like me, or if Jim does not kill me, she said to herself. She was thinking that कि कहीं Jim उसे मार ना दे. ठीक है? Before he takes a second look at me, I he will say I look like a schoolboy. Ki she was thinking that ki when he will give second look to me, means to the second time he will see a he will give me a look, he will say that ki I am looking like a schoolboy, just because he was having a short hair now. But what could I do? But she said that ki I am not having anything, what should I do? Oh, what could I do with the dollar and 80? Just because she said that ki I was having, she was justifying herself, you can say, ki I was having only how much money? I was having only $1.87. So what could I do? I don't have any opinion, or you can say I don't have any choice. ठीक है? So that's why she had sold her hair. At 7 o'clock, the coffee was made, everything was arranged. Now, at 7 o'clock, now this is the time for the Jim to come back home. The coffee was made by Della and everything arranged. Now, everything was arranged and the dinner was ready for Jim and Della. Jim was never late, so Jim was on time, just like as usual, he was on time. Della sat on the corner of the table. Now Della had sat on the corner of the table and near the door with the watch chain in her hand. The watch chain was in her hand and she was sitting near the table, near the door. ठीक है? Then she heard his steps on the stairs. When he was going up or coming up to the stairs, she had heard his footsteps. ठीक है? She turned white for just a moment. She turned white means to say that she was afraid. ठीक है? For a moment. She prayed to God, God please God make him think I am still pretty. ठीक है? तो she prayed to God that ki please God make him think that ki I am still pretty, he should love me. Clear? So the door opened and Jim stepped and closed it. Now the door was opened and Jim had come to the house, come back to the home and closed the door. He looked thin and very serious. He looked very thin and he was in a serious mood. Poor fellow, he was only 22 and the burden with the family was with the burden with the family. He was having an age of 22 only, but he was having the burden of full family. Okay. He needed a overcoat. And was without gloves. He was not having gloves just because of the poverty. They were not able to purchase. Jim's eyes were fixed on Della. Now Jim had seen Della. His eyes were fixed on Della and there was an expression in them that she could not read and it terrified her. So he had given the shocking expression just because Della was having a long hair before that, but now she was looking like a schoolboy. So that's why he had given the expression that Della cannot read. ठीक है? Della could not read. So that's why she was terrified. She was afraid. It was not anger. He was not angry with her. He has not given or shown any anger nor surprise. He was not surprised. He was shocked, you can say. He simply stared at her. He was just looking at Della with the wide open eyes and with a strange expression on his face, and he was having strange expression on his face. ठीक है? So I am going to end with that. In rest of the chapter we will do in the next video. I hope you are clear with that. So thank you so much.